We're just having so much fun discussing all the questions.
Before this video started.
I know. So we'll jump straight in. So, Nicolene, our question for today is from Sally. Thank you, Sally. Great question. How can I best style an empty corner of space in my home?
That's a great question.
It is.
And I think we'll just kind of chat through the top 3 things we normally do when styling an empty section in a bedroom or a room.
Yeah.
Or actually any space, really.
Yeah, I think it's going to depend on the area.
Yeah.
What you're actually using that space for, you know? So, but yeah, this is generally something that you maybe can use.
Yes.
What will be your first one?
So I would say a reading nook. Having 2 armchairs, a little coffee table, maybe some books that you could put on there, just so you can relax, maybe even a lamp on the table or a floor lamp behind you. That's a great way to, put something functional in the corner of a room.
Yeah, I like that. Or hallway tables. Don't underestimate the use of hallway tables. Some of them can be really big and clunky, and some is really smooth line and very simple, elegant. So whatever style suits your home, go for it. And then you can always spice it up with a mirror or artwork above it and a couple of accessories on the table, and that would be something that actually draws the eye in and creates some kind of focal point as you walk through the room.
Yeah. And last but not least, a study area. Again, you can get a really nice small study desk for any nook, or you can go big, depending on what your needs are. And then you can dress it. You can have a mirror above it or a beautiful artwork, lovely study lamp, and a couple of accessories and bookshelves above it. And you just have a beautiful space to sit and work as well as look good.
Or even for your kids, just to go and do homework. I've seen a couple of those that you just mentioned between a kitchen and a living room. You always have these kind of funny dead spaces, and I actually did that. That looked really great, and it's usable.
Yeah.
It's a great tip. Well done.
All
right, Sally, hopefully that helped you today. So for the rest of you, keep those questions coming.
That's it. Have a great week.
Bye. Thanks for joining our Q&A Mondays. We really hope you've learned something.
We're super passionate about helping people with any questions that they might have regarding styling for sale or decorating their own homes, themselves, DIY styling.
So post your questions below or email us at info@homeimprovementtraining.com, and we'll be so happy to answer any questions you have.
That's right. Looking forward to it.
See you soon.
Bye.